Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making fish tempura, deep-fried white fish in tempura batter. These are the ingredients. You can use any fish fillet of choice, such as cod, halibut, or sea bass. For the batter, flour with less protein like cake flour and potato starch are preferred so that the fried batter has a crispier texture. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we cut the white fish fillet into bite-sized pieces. Salt the fish and leave for 10 minutes. Remove moisture from the fish with a paper towel. This is an important step as the moisture will affect the texture of the batter when deep fried. Leave it for a couple of hours or even overnight in the fridge if you have time. Now we are making the batter. Mix the cake flour and potato starch. Add 1/2 egg and ice cold water and mix, but don't mix too much. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip fish in the batter and deep fry for a couple of minutes until cooked through. You can use neutral flavored oil that is good for frying. We are using the avocado oil here. When the fish is cooked through, remove from the oil. Mix salt and matcha powder to make the matcha salt for dipping. Serve immediately while hot. There are no hard-to-get ingredients or difficult steps to cooking. Hope you try this delicious fish tempura for dinner.
美味しい。